Good morning everyone. In previous class, we discussed about Estimating 1, Chapter 3, Data Analysis. In this class, we discuss about the Estimating 1, Chapter 4, Administrative Setup of Engineering Organization. Here, we discuss about the administrative setup of engineering organization. First of all, you have to know what is my engineering. Engineering is the branch of science and technology concerned with the design of building and use of engines, machines and structure. Also we call engineering the discipline dealing with the art or science of applying scientific knowledge to practical problem. Discuss what it means to be an engineer and what might be expected on an engineer. So then we discuss about the different types of engineer. The types of engineer: computer engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, software engineer, design engineer, network engineer, quality engineer. Then how many types of engineers are? Just like the production engineer. So many types of engineering and engineering branches are available. So basically here in this chapter we discuss about the civil engineer. The civil engineer further divided in construction engineer, environmental engineer, geotechnical engineer, material engineer, structural engineer, transportation engineer, urban planning engineer, water resource engineer. The civil engineer undergoing this category. So here for the after water sources department, the requirement of civil engineering is must. In construction side, civil engineer mostly required. In environmental, civil it is a paper of civil engineering. Also, in the environmental department also requisition of civil engineer is most. Then geotechnical engineering. The geotechnical is a subject of civil engineering. Also, we are going to the geotechnical engineering part. Then material engineering we also study about the materials part, so it's under the civil engineering. Then structural engineering is the most important part. We discuss about the structure in class. Then the transportation engineering, we discuss about railway and roadway and airway. It is under the transportation engineering. There urban engineering, urban plannings, the planning of different sector and the planning of 5M roadway and other things. Then water resource is the main part of civil engineering. It's all the types of engineering work is going on the PWD work department. Then we discuss about the different type of engineering work department. In case of work department or PWD work department, public work department, here chief engineer use, superintending engineering use, then executive engineer, assistant executive engineer, assistant engineer, then junior engineer. This type of engineer work under the civil engineering department. So then we discuss about the duties and responsibilities of this type of engineer and different position. So here first of all, before going to the engineer, you discuss about the duties of owner in case of any project, in case of any administrative setup. So first we discuss about the what is owner. The duties of owner is project evaluation, feasibility and planning review, then contract review, monitoring of construction progress, monitoring of equipments and material compliance with specifications, engineering design and planning reviews, schedule analysis and optimization, equipment and commissioning and verification test, operational and maintenance review, cost and benefit analysis, general reporting to owner to the basis of technical and business computation. So here the owner is the most important part, and who is the owner? In case of any government project, government is the owner. In case of any private project, suppose that example L&T. So L&T project means L&T is L&T or CEO is the owner of the project, right? In case of any private project, just like any apartment construction, duplex construction, particular person is the owner, which have some criteria. So the owner have to evaluate the project and feasibility and planning review, because which depend upon his requirement, right? The contract also review how much cost is expend for the particular project, monitoring the construction progress, how monitor the equipments, and what is the design of the design and planning. The owner have to review that, and analysis the rate and optimization, the how the equipments used in the site, and the owner have to verify it, and for what type of material used in the site, owner have to verify it. Now what is the operational and maintenance of the particular site, owner have to review that. The owner is the most important part in the site of construction. On the basis of the requirement of the owner, we doing the particular job or particular project. Then we discuss about the duties and responsibilities of contractor. The contractor also undergoing for the PWD department or the administrative setup. The owner submitted the project to the contractor, who is basic. The project planning and responsibilities, plan important project development and implementation in advance. Project management, manage the budget for the completion of construction and activities. Project monitoring, legal and regulatory responsibilities, health and safety responsibilities. The duties and responsibilities, basic duties, the contractor have to manage and responsible for the particular project activities, how to implement the project, how to manage the project. The contractor have to some knowledge about that. The how much time, how much budget take for the project or take for the construction activities, and how to monitoring the project. The contractor have to responsible for that, and for the legal and regulatory responsibilities, some legal responsibilities have to take by the contractor before starting the project work. And last one is the health and safety and responsibility. Health and safety is the most important part. In case of any incident at the site, the contractor have to involve that, because the contractor appoint the laborers at the site. So the any health and any safety requirement for the laborers or workers at the site, contractor have to responsible for that. So it is the basic responsibilities and duties of the contractor. Then we discuss about the duties and responsibilities of chief engineer. We know that here different types of engineer is used for the work of the construction. The first we discuss about the owner, then we discuss about the contractor. After that we discuss about the engineering work. The engineering work is the main part of the administrative setup, or the engineer is the main person in the administrative setup. So here different types of engineer are used, and those work procedure is not equal to each other. Some have the very hard work, and some have very lower work. So here then we discuss about the duties and responsibilities of chief engineer first. So today time is over, then remaining part we discuss in next class. Thank you.